Okay, good morning, awesome students. Good morning. It's morning in Nigeria actually. It's 6:54 in the morning, and I've just woken up and thought I could do this video for you. Um, I'm really happy. I'm really excited about what I'm about to do and what I'm about to share. I haven't got much time to do so because of this. I would jump straight up to the business of the day, but prior to doing that, I also wanted to extend my gratitude and appreciation to a company called Poten, who had designed this wonderful application for me to come about with this video. I didn't want to put my lovely, well, my face because I thought this would be a funnier and an acceptable medium for you to connect with what I'm about to share with you. Um, I'm really, really happy that you've come to my video, and then you're gonna have to, wait, you're not gonna have to, but you're gonna listen to what I'm gonna say, and then I hope that I'll be able to convince you on the opportunities on joining a community um, of MMM, which will pretty much change your life for the better. Okay, so without much ado, let's begin. Okay. Um, Here it says that you're going to be excited, blah blah blah. But yeah, you're really going to be excited at the end of this short video. So sit back, relax, and then keep playing it over and over again if you do not understand. Now, if you still do not understand, or you're still not convinced about what I'm about to share with you, um, do not hesitate to contact me or leave a message on this video, and I would be sure to respond to those messages. Okay, I'm always online and I'm always reachable. Okay, I'll leave my contact details as well at the end of this video. Okay, great stuff. All right, so let's begin. Um, there are a few things I'm going to talk about in this class, and one of such things will be on the subject matter MMM. I mean, some of us have been hearing MMM, 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 MMM. Oh my God, MMM is it a snack bar? Is it biscuits? What is it? Is it a new drink? I mean, everyone's talking about it. The buzz is just boom. It's all there. But you've come down to this video because you want to have a better grasp as to what is being talked about on the streets. All right. I'm really happy you've come down here. So I'm going to try as much as possible to be audible enough and to also let you know some of the things you need to understand about that three-letter word MMM. Okay, so I'll tell you how it works. I'll tell you some of the rules of being part of the MMM community, and then of course I'm going to tell you some of the benefits that you stand to gain. There's a lot. There's a lot. There's a lot of stuff that you're going to get from being part of MMM community. So let's move on. Okay. Before I start um, telling you about what MMM is and all that stuff, I wanted to share a few words of wisdom with you. One of them says that if you want to reap financial blessings, then you have to sow financially. Um, that's really straightforward and something I know you can key into as well. Um, it's also says if God has allowed me to earn so much money, it's because He knows I'd give it all away. Um, there's blessings in giving. All right, we need to step out of our greedy shoes and then try as much as possible to start giving to people, start helping out. MMM was designed so that people are helped from all walks of life. We can all be equal financially, so I don't see why you can't be a billionaire and then I can't be a millionaire. We all have money, right? But we need to get into the habit of helping people. Okay. Um, all riches have their own origin in mind. Wealth is an idea, not money. Um, Sergey Magodi is actually a wealthy man because he came up with an idea that has put money in the pockets of a lot of people like me, you, hopefully when you join this movement, when you join this community, okay? Whew, I need a glass of water. Okay, so how it works. I do not want to jump into the registration part just yet, but I want to tell you a little bit about MMM. MMM pretty much started from Russia by a man called Sergey Mavodi. And to cut the long story short, the application is designed in such a way that people come online, register, and then pretty much make pledges on the amount of money they want to help out with. Now, once that happened, they would need to make that money which they pledged transferred to the account number of the person who they have been paired with. And then once that is done, then they need to upload the document or the confirmation on their personal office, where the recipient of the money pretty much confirms that he had received the money. Now, once that is done, 30 days from the time that you made that pledge, you can then go back on the personal office and then click on the button called Get Help, and then voila, you're paired with someone else within 24 hours or 48 hours who obviously reciprocates the same gesture which you did in the beginning of the 30 days. So, say for example, you wanted to pledge 50,000 naira. Um, Within that 30-day period, you will be paired with someone who you need to give that money to. Now, if you're not paired with someone within 30 days, or say within 14 days of you making that pledge, the money remains in your account. There's no central account where this money is placed. You are paying directly from your account to a different person's account. There is no reason why we would say MMM has a central account where there is a possibility that they could take your money and run away. That is highly unlikely. All right. So once that money is paid to that person on the 30th day, or whenever you want to redeem your pledge after the 30th day, well, not redeem your pledge, but whenever you want to reap from the money that you sold, then you can click on the button and then get your money back. Now, 50,000 naira, 30% on that is 15,000 naira, if my math is correct. And then you get a sign-on bonus of about $20. Now, if you wanted a higher sign-on bonus of $50, you have to pay something more than 500,000 naira. And then if you wanted to get something more than $50 to $100, then you obviously have to pay something above a million naira. But the choice is yours. You have to use money that you know is free in the bank. Do not use money that you have plans for. That is not what MMM is all about. Use your free money, pledge on that, and then reap the benefits of that amount of money that you pledge, 30%. 30% of whatever you put in, you get in return after 30 days. That is really, really awesome. I haven't seen any bank that has done that before. I can categorically tell you that most of the banks in Nigeria have an interest rate of between 3% to about 10% if you're very lucky. Yeah, 10% a year, not a month. 10% a year. You have to do 10% divided by 365 times 12 months. You will get the amount of interest that the banks pay you per month. Now compare that to the 30% MMM is guaranteeing to give you. Which is better? I'll leave that for you to think about. All right. If we move into some of the rules of MMM, I've highlighted some of them for you to look at. Only use one account when you register on MMM. Do not use more than one. I implore you to use only one. It's an integrity thing, and I don't expect that anyone will want to use different accounts just because he thinks he wants to get into the application to make tons of money. That is not the whole idea of MMM, please. I beg of you, one account, one person, okay? Do not change your bank account in less than 30 days. There's going to be a moratorium. You're going to be blocked. You're going to be suspended for a while because of some fraudulent inactivities. I mean, um, not inactivities, fraudulent activities. Now, if that, I mean, even the normal banks could could suspend your account if they notice some fraudulent activities within your transactions and stuff. So please, it applies to MMM. MMM is not a bank, just so you know. But some of the practices that the banks do, just like this, if they notice it, they're going to obviously put your account on hold, and you wouldn't want that. seriously. Do not fail to confirm payments made to you. That's a rule that I've seen a lot of people do not abide in. Now, if you were paid some money, don't just go out there jubilated and being happy that you've been paid that amount of money. Go out there, go to your PO, confirm that payment has been made. Then you can go celebrate with a bottle of Moet or something. All right? Confirm the payments first. Okay? You have a couple of days to which you need to confirm those payments. Once you confirm those payments, then you can go celebrate. All right? And then 4, it says make sure you make your payments during the time specified. When you've been paired with someone and then you're still thinking, do I need to make this payment today? Okay, I still got 73 hours, I still got 56 hours, I can make the payment some other time. Please do not delay. Procrastination is a lazy man's philosophy. You do not want to delay, because if you delay, you most likely will want to spend that money on something that has really come up, and you think it's more important than trying to make the best out of the MMM application. So make those payments as and when due, all right? Remember, it's your free money, not the money that you use in running your day-to-day activities. So that shouldn't be a problem. Thank you. Now, remember to write your testimonials and letter of happiness once you've made your 30% benefit. Sorry, not benefit. 30% interest. Now, MMM requires that you tell people about how happy you have been benefiting from this application. So after the first time that you collect your interest, you will be asked to write a letter of happiness or give a video testimonial. So the choice is really yours. So spread the word. I mean, it works. It worked for me. I'm sure it's going to work for you as well. Yeah, MMM benefits everyone. Everyone who joins the application is going to get a lot. You're going to get 30% on interest rate on whatever you pledge. You're going to get a bonus if you have more than 20,000 naira on it, and you sign up on it. Then you're also going to get percentages of the amount of money that you're about to get help from if you give a letter of happiness or you do a video. I mean, there's so much benefits that you can get from this. I cannot sit down and start talking about all of them because it's huge. All right? Do not waste any more time. Go out there, hit on the link down below, and register. And trust me, your life will never be the same again. All right? I mean, I'm not raising my hands up like let's do this, but it only goes to say how happy I am to be part of this community, and I believe that you'll also be happy as well. Oh my God, my time is running up. Okay. All right. So some of the frequently asked questions: when can I join? Right down below, or you can just hit that link that I put up there. Yeah. http://Nigeria blah blah blah. Hit it. It's right down. You can click on that link, and then it'll take you straight to the registration page, and then you can now sign up. My number is there. My email is there. You can contact me, and I'll clear any doubts that you've got. All right. Are there any risks for pledging money on MMM? Life is full of risk already. There's risk everywhere. I mean, there's risk in everything. Would you not live, or would you not come out of your house if you knew that there was risk in the world? Come on now, let's be wise about this. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'm looking forward to an awesome world with you. I'm looking forward to an opportunity where I can be happy, you can be happy, everyone is happy. I mean, we have suffered just enough by the, 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 the by the government, by the banks, by any financial institution, the insurance companies, and all that. And it's all time for us to get away from all that and then just stay happy and be happy amongst ourselves. So the community of MMM is one place where you can actually get that much happiness. So MMM really does work. MMM really pays, and MMM changes lives. I got this excerpt from one of the financial institutions where it said, "Wouldn't you rather bank with us?" So I thought as much to put something like that and say, "Hey, wouldn't you rather join MMM community?" Just don't know why it wasn't complete right there. But I'm really happy I did this video, and I hope that you're really happy at the outcome of the video, and that you've gained a lot of understanding about this. And I hope that you can go on the link and then click and then join the MMM community. Thank you very much.